To check the Instagram call history. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your Instagram call history. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Instagram, make sure it is installed and updated to the latest version. If you have, simply open it, then you can simply check the call history by going to the profile of the person and then seeing one by one and see the call history. But if you want to filter it, then just tap on the very filter option, and then you can see the very option of late, dispatched, paid, ordered, booked, flagged, unanswered, unread. You get this very option if you have the business account. So just tap on the unanswered option and then you can see who have not answered your call. That's what you can see from here, but you cannot exactly see all the call history from your Instagram. You can go to the activity option and then see the call history and all the activities that you have done in your Instagram though. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.